To prepare list of files in a folder on your computer, follow these steps. Open the folder you want to copy names of the files in it. Now, select all the files you want to copy their names. Then, right-click on the selection. From these options, click on Copy as Path. Now, open a Word document. In the Word document, paste what you have copied. Okay, now you can find the names of the files in that folder. But, all the names are starting with the path of each file. To remove these, copy the path. Now, from the Home tab, click here, Replace. Here, paste the path name copied into the box towards Find What. And keep the box towards Replace with as empty. Then click Replace All. Okay, now the path addresses have been removed from the file names. Now, to remove the quotation marks at the end of each file, copy the quotation mark, click Replace. Paste it toward Find What. Keep empty the box towards Replace with. Then, click Replace All. Okay, now the list of the file names in the folder is ready. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video from iTech Tips.